Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize the dark and light theme for your Reddit app from Android. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on our avatar icon right here, go to settings, scroll down a bit, and here you will find the dark mode section. And you'll be able to change few settings, like auto dark mode, and if you click on that you can change it to off. Follow OS settings, so it will just follow what your phone has set, or sunrise to sunset. Let's just follow our OS setting in this. Next is light mode, light theme, and you can change it to alien blue, mint, pony, or trees. I'm gonna choose trees, and as you can see it just changes our layout a bit. It's more like a personal option. And last here is the dark theme, and you can press on that, and if we enable it like that, you can see the dark mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.